Hi guys, welcome. Today we're going to learn how to calculate resistor using the color code. When you look in a regular resistor, you can see there is a number of strips, colored strips on the resistors. The first strips here, the blue one, the orange one are digits. As you can see, digits can be 2 digits or even 3 digits and more. The value of the digits depends on its color. For example, red is digit number 2. If you look on these resistors, you can see you have digits blue and orange. It means the value of the resistor is 6 and 3, 63. Then you multiply it on the multiplier. In this example is 100. You multiply 63 by 100 and you get 63k of ohm. You have another value. It's the tolerance. The tolerance can be 1%, 5%, depending on the color. For example, you have a gold tolerance here, which is 5%. It means the value of the resistance will be 63 kilo ohm plus minus 5%. Another value on the resistance, the temperature coefficient. It means the difference in per millions per 1 Kelvin change of temperature. And that's it. You can use this table to calculate any value you wish. Thank you very much for listening. See you in the next video.